Today we will be showing you how to use bill payments. Click on bill payments from any screen. Once on the bill and payments page, go ahead and click here to request bill pay services. Go to the desired account, click edit, and select the basic with bill pay option. Submit the request. Once you submit the request, we will review this request and give you access within 24 business hours. Click on confirm and done. Once access for bill pay is granted, you can click on bill payments and you will start adding in your payees. Click on add payee. Click on add payee so you can manually enter in their information. Enter in the payee name, followed by their address, the account number, and your account that you will be paying from. You can also add a memo, a nickname, and an email address for the recipient. Click Create Payee. You can set up a one-time payment to this individual on this screen by entering in the dollar amount, selecting the date that you wish the transfer to take place, and you can go ahead and add a memo on this page also. Once you have added the information, click on Pay Bills. Confirm the information is correct. Click on Submit Payments. To set up recurring payments, you can click on this button here. And you can proceed in entering the dollar amount of the recurring payment, how frequently the payment will go out, and from which account the payment will go out. You will then need to select the day the payment will be made on. You will see information here that the first payment will be made on the 3rd of November. Estimated delivery will be on November 7th. Down below, you have the option of canceling at the time you wish. You can enter a date that you wish this to be canceled, or you can select how many payments are made before this recurring transfer is canceled. Click on Save. Confirm the information is correct and save schedule. Once that is completed, you will then see under scheduled payments your payees and the dollar amounts that you will be sending, the dates, as well as the check numbers that will be going out.